Welcome to my 3D printed crib. For this project, we basically started by asking two words. What if? What if we didn't build buildings the same way we built them centuries ago? What if we actually used new technology, new ways of doing things to really move the needle forward with how we generate, consume, and store energy in our buildings? And then we started to ask questions of, well, what if that vehicle wasn't just sitting idle for 20+ hours a day? What if that actually was a part of the energy mix? What if they shared energy together? What if the car could power the house? What if the house could power the car? So what do? Well, we 3D printed a building. Now, what does that mean? Well, we now can be more flexible. We can put material where material wants to be. The architect can now be the artist. We call it AMIE because it's really short for Additive Manufacturing, aka 3D printing, and Integrated Energy. So we have a refrigerator, freezer, running water. We have a dishwasher. Then we have a cooktop where we're actually able to demonstrate cooking, and we have a microwave oven. Yeah, on this side we actually have a Murphy bed, Murphy style bed. So at night, it's obviously day now, but at night we can actually let this down and have a bed to sleep in. This isn't the end, this is the beginning. No, we won't be using this type of polymer material going forward. We wanted to use it to demonstrate that this could be done. Maybe we're using biomaterials, maybe we're using materials that are native to an area, but you have to start somewhere, and this is that opportunity to start and demonstrate that it can be done.